Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to add hyperlinks to Outlook email messages. Adding hyperlinks makes your emails look more professional and allows your recipients to click directly on a link instead of copying and pasting a long web address. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Outlook and create a new email. Click on the Outlook icon in your taskbar to open Outlook. Once Outlook is open, click on New Mail or New Email at the top left corner of the screen. A new email composition window will open. Type your email subject in the subject field and type your email message in the body area. The second thing is to add a hyperlink to a word or phrase in your email. In the email body, type the word or phrase you want to turn into a hyperlink. For example, type "click here to visit our website." Now select that text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it to highlight it. Once the text is highlighted, right-click on it. A menu will appear. Click on Link or Insert Hyperlink from the menu. The third thing is to enter the web address for your hyperlink. A window will open called Insert Hyperlink. You will see a field at the bottom called Address. Click on that field and type the full web address you want to link to. For example, type https, then colon, then 2 forward slashes, then www.google.com. Make sure the Text to Display field at the top shows the text you selected. Click OK to insert the hyperlink. You will see the text in your email is now underlined and highlighted in blue, showing it is a clickable hyperlink. The fourth thing is to add a hyperlink to an email address. Select any text in your email body that you want to link to an email address. Right-click on the selected text and click on Link or Insert Hyperlink. The Insert Hyperlink window will open. Look at the left side panel and click on Email Address. In the email address field, type the email address you want to link to. For example, type mail to, then colon, then support@yourcompany.com. In the subject field, type a default subject line like Contact Us. Click OK to insert the email hyperlink. When recipients click on this link, it will automatically open a new email addressed to that email address. The fifth thing is to test your hyperlink before sending. Before sending your email, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click on the hyperlink you just created. This will open the link in your browser, confirming it is working correctly. If the link does not work, go back and right-click on the hyperlink. Click on Edit Hyperlink and check that the web address is entered correctly. Make any corrections needed and click OK. Once you have confirmed all your hyperlinks are working correctly, fill in the recipient email address in the To field at the top of the email. Click the Send button to send your email. Your recipients will now be able to click directly on the hyperlinks in your email to visit the web pages or send emails instantly. That is all there is to it. Adding hyperlinks to your Outlook email messages is simple and makes your emails look more professional and easy to navigate. If this tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe for more easy Outlook tutorials. See you in the next one.